center today, we're trying to find out what two numbers go together to make 10. So some of you have already done the snowman makes 10 activity, so you might kind of understand how this works, but if not, let me just explain it, okay? So every person has their own supplies. So there's enough supplies in here for two friends to do the center at the same time, but you're doing your own work and you're doing your own work, okay? So that means you each have a box of counters, you each have a worksheet, and there's a pencil in here so that you each have a pencil, okay? So I want you to go ahead and get your supplies out and set them up like I have. You need a box of counters, you need a 10 frame, you need a pencil, and you need a worksheet. So go ahead and get those things out. We're going to do the first couple problems together, okay? Okay, all right, you have your supplies, so we're going to do the first problem together. The first problem says, 5 and what makes 10? 5 and what makes 10? So you're going to take your counters, and you're going to count out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, the way that you use this 10 frame, if every box in this 10 frame was full, then you have to make the number 10 because there are 10 empty boxes in a 10 frame. So if you knew that you started out with 5 and you put 5 counters in there, then all you have to do is count the empty spaces. So if you have 5 full, how many empty do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you know that 5 and 5 make 10. So you would write a 5 and 5 make 10 on your worksheet. Let's do another one together. The second problem says 8 and what make 10? So you're going to count out 8 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, I see that I have 8 full counters. I have 2 empty spaces. So I would know that 8 and 2 make 10. Now, please don't guess. Don't come ask me what two numbers go together. Use your math tools to solve all of these problems. And remember that math time is not to play. So I should not see counters all across the room. You should clear your board each time and pour them right back in your container. When you should be working the whole time. So if you have worked the whole time and your worksheet is finished, then it goes in the blue box. If you haven't had a chance to finish, that's okay. You're still going to clean up when the cleanup song comes on. You're going to put this in your red folder and you're going to come back and finish this center tomorrow. I know you're going to do great.